The DJI Mavic 3 truly stands out as one of the best drones in the world, and for good reason. Let's dive into what makes this drone a game changer. First off, the camera system is nothing short of spectacular. It features a dual camera setup with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, which means you're getting stunning 20 megapixel stills and 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. The color accuracy is incredible, capturing vibrant and true-to-life colors that make your footage pop. But it's not just about the camera. The Mavic 3 boasts an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes. That's nearly double what many other drones offer. Imagine the possibilities. You can explore vast landscapes, capture extended shots, and really immerse yourself in the experience without constantly worrying about battery life. Then there's the advanced obstacle avoidance system. With sensors on all sides, the Mavic 3 can detect and avoid obstacles in real time, making it safer to fly in complex environments. This feature gives you the confidence to push your creative boundaries, whether you're flying through dense forests or urban landscapes. Let's talk about the intelligent flight modes. The Mavic 3 comes packed with features like Active Track 5.0, which allows the drone to follow subjects smoothly and accurately. Whether you're filming a mountain biker racing down a trail or capturing the graceful movements of a dancer, this mode ensures you get the perfect shot every time. Plus, the new Master Shots feature simplifies the process of creating cinematic sequences. Just select your subject, and the drone does the rest, executing a series of pre-programmed maneuvers to create a stunning video. And if you're concerned about transmission quality, the Mavic 3 has you covered with its O3 Plus technology. This offers a transmission range of up to 15 kilometers, delivering a stable and high-quality video feed. You can fly farther and see clearer, which is essential for capturing those breathtaking aerial views. Finally, let's not forget about the design. The Mavic 3 is compact and foldable, making it incredibly portable. It's easy to throw in your backpack and take on any adventure. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist, this drone is designed to meet your needs. In summary, the DJI Mavic 3 combines cutting-edge technology, exceptional camera capabilities, and user-friendly features, making it a top contender in the drone market. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of your creativity, ready to help you capture the world from a whole new perspective.